English Vocabulary, Section 1. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 1. Equitably, adverb, fairly, impartially. 2. Coalition, noun, alliance, partnership. 3. Cede, verb, surrender, concede, give up. 4. Incongruous, adjective, inappropriate, contradictory, conflicting. 5. Enthuse, verb, motivate, arouse. 6. Devious, adjective, deceitful, dishonest, unfair. 7. Opportunistic, adjective, opportunist, selfish, time-serving. 8. Revival, noun, resurgence, renewal. 9. Displease, verb, annoy, upset. 10. Anti-incumbency, noun, dissatisfaction with ruling elected officials in power. 11. Polarisation, noun, two groups, by division. 12. Supplant, verb, displace, supersede. 13. Blunt, verb, weaken, reduce, decrease. 14. Sapping, verb, reducing, lowering, exhausting. 15. Unforgiving, adjective, not ready to forgive. 16. Leverage, verb, use, make use of. 17. Knack, noun, technique, skill, expertise. 18. Rue, verb, regret, feel sorry. 19. Astonishingly, adverb, surprisingly, amazingly. 20. Peasantry, noun, farmers, agricultural workers. 21. Consolation, noun, comfort, relief. 22. Exaggerate, verb, overstate, overrate, magnify. 23. Headway, noun, progress, advance. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.